Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are back again with new photo editing video. The video is so simple that you can edit a photo in 3 to 4 steps. So without wasting time here, let's get straight into the video. First of all, we will select the photo which we want to edit. So we are going to edit today this photo. Click on the share and send it to Lightroom. The apps needed in the editing, we are going to use Lightroom and one more app which I will give the link in the description. First of all, we will open this photo and copy the settings. You can find the preset link in the description from where you can download. So click on the 3 dots, copy settings and take OK. Go back and go to the photo which you want to edit, 3 dots again and paste settings. That's it. You can see that the color pop-up is coming, like glow is coming in the photo. So now from here we begin our editing. So first of all, go to the light and you can adjust the exposure. I think this exposure is already given in the preset, so no need to edit in this. So we will go again back to this warm option, and we will decrease little bit temperature because we don't want that green color, the hue of green color we don't want. So we will increase it into right side little bit. And then click on this mix icon which is in the right top corner and go to the green color. Decrease the hue and also decrease the saturation also, and increase the luminance. You can decrease your accordingly up to what extent you want the gray and little bit reddish color in the photo. Then go to the yellow color, decrease the hue so that you get the little bit yellow effect on the leaves. Then decrease saturation little bit. Then adjust the luminance also. What luminance do is it gives little bit blackish and white effect on the color which you have selected. So if you want little bit shadow type effect on the color, so decrease to the larger extent. Then select the red color. If you decrease it up to more extent, the color of the t-shirt and everything will be changed. So do not decrease very much, just decrease little bit and it will be okay. Same with this darker red color, you can just tweak with the colors and set it accordingly. Now we are all done with the color settings. We will click on done. Then we will move down, select the crop tool and we will adjust the photo. I am going to take this much. We can also add this little bit clarity in the photo. We need little bit vintage effect also. Yeah, that's it. You can take this feather also if you want, and highlights also you can take it, but I am not taking it because my photo is little bit different. So we are done with this of Lightroom editing. Now we will export this photo, save to device. Now we will move to our third step, which is an 3D LUT app, which will be given in the description. Please make sure to download. Just a second, I will open that application. Yeah, we are here. Go to the open gallery and select the first photo which you have recently added. Don't tweak the settings here. If you want, then you can just tweak with a little bit of brightness and also with the contrast and saturation. That's it. Go to the LUT. Just a second, I am not with my data now. Yeah. Go to the top 25 and select the MW13 alias and save it. That's it. This was the simple 4-step photo editing. As you can see, photo is edited. Thank you for watching. If you are new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon, and please make sure to like the video.